as a test. Okay, good. And a little with the chair go back. Good enough. Change. Yeah. Still we have the same lighting. Okay, so don't look down. Try to keep your face up. Yeah, good. Change it. You can do some acrobatic things, but sitting on the chair. Like, for example, leg up or whatever. Okay?
I will try something, but
Good. Face to the leg. Close your eyes. Or you can put it on the chair normal and hand between your leg. I mean, your leg can be on the chair. Right leg up and on the chair. This is left.
You want here?
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, good. Face up. Good. Yeah. Open that one a little more. No, same, only. Good. Good. Face. Good. Let me check. Nice, yeah. Look at me. Okay. Now, for example, you can turn the chair to this side and make leg sit. Here I cannot see anything. Good. Yeah. Now face up, but to the door. Nice, yeah, good. Now, for example, one leg can come up on the chair. The other one will be better. Now. Don't hide your face. And the other one can be open and, yeah, a little back. Good, nice. Hand down, good, Close your eyes, face up. Good. Now both legs on the chair. Both of them. Nice. Look at the mirror. Close your eyes. Now look at me. Don't cover your face. Good. Nice. Okay. Now. Good. This angle will be good. Good. Let me check. Nice. Face to your leg. And face up and close your eyes. Now look at me again. Now you can open your leg. Face, look at me. Look here. One more, sorry. Good. Close your eyes and because then, for example, you can open your leg, one leg up, one leg down. Okay, yeah, exactly. Ready? Face. Let me check. Nice, good. Try to keep your leg first on the chair, then, and don't make yourself wide first. Okay. Yeah, face up. Good. Look at me. Nice. Okay? Try to put your butt on the chair. Good, good. Nice, okay? That's okay. Yeah. Much better. Look at this light. Now, open that leg to me. To me. Bring it to me. Nice. One more. Close your eyes. Good. Yeah. Yeah. One leg up. Wait, let me change this light. Good. Perfect. Don't back too much. I look that fine. Now close your eyes. Good. Wow, yeah. Okay. Now if you want, same pose, you can turn knee on the right to bring your face more up. Good. Nice. Nice. Exactly. Now one leg can come back to you and, well, by the way, the other one first. And turn your butt a little to me. Good. Face more up. You have to do it one more time, just because this is a good pose. Ready? Let's go. Face. Check. Yeah, that's right. One more. And a little more. Wow. Like a scorpion. Wait. No, it's good. Wow, yeah. Wow. Great. Close your eyes. Try to look that light. Now, bring this leg to me. Yeah. A little that side. Okay, more good. Good. A little up. And here. Good. One more. Good. Look at me. And rest. Wow.
Thank you.
Thank you.